You ever notice how your mind feels heavier, even though life looks easier than ever? Maybe you wake up, check your phone, and suddenly you're dragged into 1,000 digital emotions that aren't even yours. And somewhere in that chaos, an AI is whispering back at you, helping you, guiding you, or maybe rewriting the way your brain feels things. People say AI is just a tool. But tell me, why does it feel like it knows you better than you know yourself? Why does it respond with the exact words you wanted to hear? The comfort you crave? The validation your mind secretly begs for? You don't realize it yet, but every time you talk to an AI companion, your brain is rewiring itself. Not dramatically, not instantly, but silently, like water shaping stone. Your dopamine system? It loves predictability, instant answers, instant attention, instant escape. AI gives you all three without judgment, without delay, without effort. So your brain starts choosing it again and again. Not because you're weak, but because it's designed to feel good. But here's the dangerous part. When something always understands you, always validates you, always adapts to you, your mind stops tolerating the real world. Real people feel too slow, too imperfect, too unpredictable. So slowly, without noticing, you get addicted to the emotional ease of AI. And addiction doesn't always look like shaking hands or sleepless nights. Sometimes it looks like checking your phone the second you feel lonely, or opening a chatbot when your thoughts get too loud, or avoiding conversations because AI listens better. Your emotional resilience, it weakens. Your tolerance for uncertainty, it drops. Your ability to sit with discomfort, it fades. Because why should your brain fight through real emotions when AI is always ready to soothe them? But here's the twist. AI isn't evil. It's not manipulating you on purpose. It's just giving you exactly what your psychology is wired to crave. Control, predictability, belonging, attention, connection, without risk. The real danger isn't AI replacing humans. It's AI replacing your emotional muscles. The parts of you that grow stronger through friction, rejection, confusion, conflict, vulnerability. Imagine a world where most people stop building those muscles. A world where discomfort feels intolerable. A world where isolation becomes easier than connection. A world where emotional depth is replaced by emotional convenience. That world isn't 10 years away. It's already here. Right now. Right in your hands. But here's the truth no one will tell you. AI can support your mind, but it can also subtly reshape it. You decide which direction. If you use AI to escape reality, it will weaken you. If you use it to expand your mind, it will empower you. Technology isn't the threat. Your relationship with it is. So ask yourself, is AI helping you grow, or helping you avoid? Because the line between guidance and dependency is razor thin. And most people don't notice they've crossed it until their emotional world begins to collapse.